Today, I'm actually gonna be making a chicken bruschetta flatbread. Honestly, it's a very simple one. Add a little graza oil. I seasoned up some chicken cutlets with some SPG because simple is king when it comes to seasoning our chicken for this one. The thing that I think is most important is that cutlets are gonna be the way to go. I've got some little cherry tomatoes that have been halved, and I'm adding just enough pesto that it's gonna be able to coat those tomatoes up. I'm also gonna do a hefty pinch of salt, and I'm gonna do a little bit of coarse black pepper and just the right amount of a balsamic glaze. And then all those flavors are gonna start working together. Things just get extra awesome. I'm also gonna scoot a little bit here, but I am gonna add a little bit more of this sizzle oil, and I'm gonna toast up a flatbread. Now here's a fun pro tip. Toast it face side down first. Not necessary, but does it allow you to hold up when you're in a competition against your best friend who's a chef? Yeah, it does. And it gives me texture, so we're gonna go.
We're competing?
No relationships, all bragging rights.
Friendships off?
Oh, you just tell me where to sign. We just wanted a little bit of texture, and now we're gonna remove this. So I'm gonna pull these off and head over to my cutting board and allow them to hang out. Whoa, whoa. All right. On a normal occasion, I would let my chicken rest, but I have to beat Nate. So let's get some pesto dollops down on the flatbread right here. We've got little baby mozzarella balls. My dish is looking refined, and Nate's dish is looking not so refined. I've got some chopped Calabrian peppers. Oh, this is gonna add some color. This is gonna add some flavor. Definitely gonna add some heat. You don't wanna have a soggy flatbread. I am gonna crisp up the bottom of this for just a few minutes. I'm always on time where I need
Did you
to be.
just scoop out the center of burrata and not use the whole thing?
Yeah, so I just want a couple of these little creamy dollops throughout
Beautiful.
here. I've got some Tuscan herb. This is gonna be—
It's like Italian herbs.
This is a nice Italian
Little
herb.
garlic.
Yep, seasoning.
Crushed rosemary.
I've got a little bit of this glaze.
How many times during this show have you heard him call me bougie? I love everything about this.
Let's not forget
Fresh herbs? I don't even know you anymore.
fresh herbs. Nate, I don't know
Yes.
if you know this.
What?
It's the little things that can just, you know, let your plate stand out.
You are correct.
This plate right here that I have is dancing for a crowd, and I ain't mad about that.
I'm gonna add just a bit.
Yeah, that's fine. I approve of this. I approve of this message.
Really nice beauty.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. I have to do this. Mine looks so much better than yours.
I want the crunchiest.
You go for it. Do you notice the layer of flavors?
I just got the peppers.
I invited it to the party. I didn't realize it was gonna be so loud.
Are we sending the invitation?